This isn't a water fight, it's a war. And Bangkok, it's the battlefield. I came here for Songkran, Thailand's New Year festival, but nothing could prepare me for this. Khao Road turns into absolute chaos, water flying from every direction, music shaking the streets, people laughing like kids again. Locals, tourists, doesn't even matter, everyone's a part of it. And once again I made a YouTube video about this, go check it out. I was soaked in minutes, no escape, no mercy, and somehow it felt magical. You forget your phone, your worries, even the heat, for one day, you just are there. Everyone's a part of it, there's no audience here, only participants. That's the magic. The chaos brings you together with the people you never met before. This was my first Songkran, and trust me, it won't be my last one.